Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Vajandar High School and Junior College, Wahur. Now, dear student, our current topic is chemical kinetics. We know what is kinetics. Kinetics means we can say the rate, speed or velocity, okay, or the time to complete the reaction. Reactant convert into product, the time required is called as the kinetics or it is called as the rate. Now after that, two types of rate we have discussed. One is your average rate and second one is your instantaneous rate. And according to instantaneous rate means in differential form, we will try to write all other part of the topic. Okay, now after average rate of reaction, instantaneous rate of reaction, we have discussed what is rate law, what is order of reaction, what is molecularity of reaction, how order of reaction different from molecularity, how order and molecularity can be distinguished. Okay, and then directly we have discussed the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Now our today's lecture is integrated rate law or integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Now before going to start integrated rate equation or rate law for zero order reaction, let me revise what is first order and what is zero order. ये दो पॉइंट हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि फर्स्ट ऑर्डर किसको बोलते हैं एंड सेकेंड जीरो ऑर्डर which reaction we will call. Okay, now what is first order reaction? First order reaction means we can say the reaction in which rate directly proportional to first power of concentration of reactant. Rate directly proportional to first power of concentration of reactant, like decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. When H2O2 will decompose, it convert into water and oxygen, but rate will depends upon only concentration of H2O power 1, and that reactions are called as first order reaction. Now what is zero order reaction? Actually zero order means we can say the power is zero and that power is called as order. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस, वो जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का पावर रहता है उसको अपन ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. नाउ जीरो ऑर्डर मीन्स द पावर इज जीरो एंड पावर इज जीरो मीन्स रेट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. Power is zero means rate independent on concentration of reactant. So what is zero order reaction? How will you define the zero order reaction? कैसा डिफाइन करूंगा मैं zero order reaction? The reaction in which rate independent on concentration of reactant, मतलब rate concentration of reactant पर depend नहीं रहता. Such reactions are called as zero order reaction, like decomposition of ammonia. Ammonia when decomposed, when it consumed, it convert into nitrogen and hydrogen gas. Rate will not depends upon concentration of ammonia. That is the best example of your zero order reaction. Now our today's point is integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction, और हम लोग ये point start करेंगे. Now my simple reaction, A convert into product P. Now A is the reactant and P is the product. Write the differential rate law. Write the differential rate law. Now already we have discussed. अब आप लोगों को सबको आइडिया है. अब suppose A is the concentration. How to write instantaneous rate? मैं कैसे लिखूँ instantaneous rate? dA by dt. Okay, and why it is minus? Because the concentration of reactant will decrease, is equal to, according to rate law, K into concentration of A raised to the power 0. Now this is the differential rate law equation for zero order reaction. Now power is 0, so this is called as zero order reaction. Power is 0 means rate do not depends upon concentration. So this equation we can write here, minus dA by dt is equal to K, because the rate do not depends upon concentration of A. Suppose this one is my equation number 1. Now rearrange above equation. Rearrange above equation. We will get here dA is equal to Okay, now shift here, so this become k dt, minus को भी shift करो, so dA is equal to minus k dt. Okay, now this is the differential rate equation for zero order reaction. now मुझे पूरे रिएक्शन का रेट फाइंड आउट करना है, होल रिएक्शन का, और जब भी होल रिएक्शन का रेट फाइंड आउट करते, सो बेस्ट मेथड रहता इंटीग्रेशन. Why we will do इंटीग्रेशन? क्यों मैं यहाँ ये इक्वेशन का इंटीग्रेशन करूंगा? क्योंकि मुझे पूरे रिएक्शन का रेट फाइंड आउट करना है, और वो किसके थ्रू फाइंड आउट करते हैं? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ अबव इक्वेशन विद इन लिमिट्स a इज इक्वल टू a0 when t is equal to 0 and a is equal to at, okay, when t is equal to t. What is my condition? When a is equal to a0, तब टाइम कितना था? 0. और when certain time, मतलब एक t टाइम हुआ, आई एम नॉट सेइंग 5 सेकेंड 10 सेकेंड, एक t टाइम तक रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ, उस वक्त a काय में चेंज हो गया? at में. These are the limits of this equation. So after integration we can write here dA, okay, dA, integral of dA, upper limit is at and lower limit is a0 is equal to minus k. Now t is equal to 0, lower limits, and t is equal to t, upper limits, okay, dt. Simplify this integration, okay, simplify this, or on subtraction, upper limits minus lower limits, okay, upper limits minus lower limits, so we can write here at minus a0 is equal to, now this one is your minus k, upper limit is t minus 0, so t minus 0 become t. Now this is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Now I have to remove this, I have to remove this minus sign. अब मुझे माइनस साइन रिमूव करना है, इसको उल्टा कर दो, सो दिस बिकम a0 minus at is equal to kt, or we can write here t is equal to a0 minus at upon k. t is equal to a0 minus at upon k, and this is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. T is equal to a0 minus at by k. And what was the integrated rate equation for first order reaction? T is equal to 2.303 upon k log of a0 by at. Okay, now here looking to this, we can write the unit, rearrange this equation, or we can write here k is equal to a0 minus at upon t. Now the unit of time is second per time, okay, second, minute, hours, and unit for concentration is moles per dm cube. Okay, so what is the unit of zero order reaction या dimension of zero order reaction? Moles per dm cube per second, moles per dm cube per minute, moles per dm cube per hours. So we can write here moles per dm cube per time. That is a unit or dimension of your zero order reaction. So this is a simple mathematics, logical mathematics integration is there to find out the integrated rate equation of zero order reaction. Okay, so consider a general reaction, A convert into product P. राइट, डिफरेंशियल रेट लॉ अपने पढ़े हैं, इसका इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट क्या आएगा? माइनस डी ए बाय डी टी. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू रेट लॉ क्या लिखेंगे आपको? रेट डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए रेज टू द पावर 0. प्रोपोर्शनल रिमूव करो, दिस बिकम k. So this is differential rate equation. Rearrange this equation, you will get here integration. Why will do integration? क्यों मैं इसका इंटीग्रेशन करूंगा? क्योंकि मुझे ओवरऑल रिएक्शन का रेट फाइंड आउट करना है विद इन द लिमिट्स a is equal to a0 when t is equal to 0 and a is equal to at when t is equal to t. Now after a simple mathematics is there, finally you will get here t is equal to a0 minus at upon k, and this is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. So pause your video and note down in your notebook what is zero order reaction. Write the example of zero order reaction and write the integrated rate law for zero order reaction. Note down. Now, student, our next point is half-life of zero order reaction. Now, what is half-life of zero order reaction? What is half-life period? Or what is half-life time? So we can say time in which half of the reactant convert into the product. Time in which half of the reactant convert into the product. Suppose I am having initially A0. When time become T, that A0 will convert into AT. Suppose we are having 100 moles of A0. So what would be the amount of AT? Half. Half means AT become 50. Time required to complete half of the reactant. Yeah, the time in which half of the reactant convert into the product. अब ये 150 में कैसे convert हुआ? 100 divided by 2 means here we can write AT is equal to half of the initial. We can write here AT is equal to half of the initial. And how AT is equal to half of the initial? Time required to complete half of the reactant into the product, to convert half of the reactant into the product, and this is called as half-life time, or this is called as half-life period. Okay, now according to integrated rate equation for zero order reaction, and what is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction? T is equal to A0 minus AT upon K. T is equal to, yes, T is equal to A0 minus AT upon K. Now this is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Now put the condition when T is equal to T half. हम लोग हाफ लाइफ पीरियड फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, हाफ लाइफ टाइम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. सो T become T half, and when T become T half, then AT become A0, half of the initial. AT become A0. Substitute these values in equation number 1. So we can write here, instead of T, write there T half is equal to A0 minus, instead of AT, write the condition A0 by 2 upon K. Now simplify this equation. So we can write here T half is equal to 2 A0 minus A0, okay, upon K. Okay, a simple mathematics is there. So this equation become T half is equal to, okay, T half is equal to 2A0 minus A0 means this become A0 by 2, okay, upon K. Simplify this equation, you will get here T half is equal to A0 by 2K. T half is equal to A0 by 2K, and this is a half-life for zero order reaction. Half-life for zero order reaction, and this reaction indicates the time for zero order reaction is T half is equal to A0 upon 2K, where A0 is the concentration, okay, K is the rate constant, and T half is half-life period, and this is all about half-life for zero order reaction. So dear student, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने क्या डिस्कस किया कि व्हाट इज जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, what is first order reaction, what is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction, and then what is half life of zero order reaction. Now based on this equation there may be or possibilities of one question, T half is equal to A0 by 2K. This equation shows that half life of zero order reaction, half life of zero order reaction depends upon concentration of reactant. क्या शो करता है? half life of zero order reaction depends or is proportional to the initial concentration of reactant. So the question may ask which equation shows half life of zero order reaction is proportional to initial concentration. कौन सा इक्वेशन शो करेगा कि हाफ लाइफ ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन प्रोपोर्शनल टू इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन? तो वो ये इक्वेशन है, टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू ए जीरो बाय टू के, एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इंटीग्रेटेड रेट इक्वेशन फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. थैंक यू.